Quaker Oats Company, makers of fine foods for the whole family, presents America's favorite family, the Nelsons. Ozzie, Harriet, David, and Ricky. Now a word about one of the many fine Quaker products. Aunt Jemima presents Saturday Morning with Peggy and Chuck.
Uh-oh.
What?
This is the kitchen, not your workshop.
Thought I'd do it this morning. Hey, got a great idea. Banana pancakes.
Banana pancakes?
Mm-hmm. Just pour the batter on the bananas.
Hey, they were pretty good. You can cook for me every day.
Oh, no. I'll tell you what, though. I'll take on the job Saturday mornings.
What's the deal?
Only a handshake?
Try Chuck's new idea. Over some sliced bananas, pour your Aunt Jemima batter. Add some butter and syrup. You'll like 'em. Banana pancakes made with Aunt Jemima. Perfect pancakes in 10 shakes. Now, Quaker invites you to enjoy